You're right.
Primo, cuéntamelo, primo. Son 3 en el 600. Ok. Entonces le damos a las 6 escaleras y quedamos en el mismo precio. Porque es por el edificio que me dieron. Yo pensé que eran solo, ¿cómo es? Pensé que eran 2 en el 600.
I'm gonna show y'all a little on how to cut it. For example, you gotta cut this off first, and this is never what do you call it? Flush. So you gotta trim that part, and then what we did, we got a little 2x4 right here to give it our exact measurements. That was my dad's idea, so we just, after you cut that, you run it all the way down there. That'll be 42 to be exact. As you can tell, we're getting it done pretty quick. How do you feel?
Who?
You.
I feel great. How about you?
I'm gonna show y'all once we're like halfway done. Hello everybody. So this is our little stand we made. It's made out of 2x4. It's made for the saw. As you can tell, the saw is very sturdy. These cost about $30 for both of them. And then these 2x4s we had at a leftover job. The stand for the whole thing cost around like $260 something. So we made on a little budget, like $30 something, and then leftover 2x4s. This is the wood we're gonna be using to replace all these stairs. As you could tell, he removed the first section. How's it going?
Michael, acá anda Michael. Me anda quitando el tiempo, Michael.
To be a little specific on what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna put these stairs. What they measure was like 42. We're gonna be using 2-inch exterior screws. That way it'll last a little longer. A little more durable. We're also gonna be taking this section apart also, right?
What?
This section right
here?
Yeah,
all the way to the...
all the way up here. These are the tools that we're using for the meanwhile.
Wait, I think we have to do this one first. Y después lo subimos allá para que se vaya viendo. Dame ¿cómo se llama?
What?
El jigsaw.
Alright.
I mean, not the jigsaw.
It's right here.
¿Quieres lo haciendo, Frank? 42. ¿A quién?
A lot of people, when they see this type of cut right there, they start shaking. They get scared. They be like, oh, how we gonna do it? But then you realize, look, you gotta go through the back real quick. You know, take the back way and you pull it forward. And that's like a simple way to get it in. That's like, and then that one obviously goes through the back. And that one takes the back way also.
Oh, how am I do this? Así, Luis. Dile como eso.
Yeah, like for example, we was looking at this one. You see, you got this in the way, that in the way. That I was shaking. I was like, how we gonna do it? But he said, don't worry about it. So I said how the one video said.
I'm not sure how.
I'm still not sure how we're gonna do it, but I guess he's gonna figure it out somehow.
You have to put it in pieces.
We gotta cut it up. Cause look at it. That. We're so far almost done with this. Well, we're a third way done.
¿Y ahora cómo le vas a meter un tornillo ahí?
Where?
Ahí.
I don't know.
Same question, dude. Lo pones heladito, Solo para que agarre. Oh, pero explícale por qué estás usando los tornillos.
I already said it. They're more durable.
Fácil para remover las piezas y el cliente así lo pide.
This is our little contraction once again. 30-something bucks right here. Leftover material. You can't beat it. Like I said, look, we have the stairs done. Now, what's this called again? The resting? We got the little platform. We got all them out. You see, it's all clean. All the nails. What we use to get the nails removed is the Makita grinder. We got a little metal blade on it. And then, as you can see, for these little crevices right here, the same thing where I was talking about that it was gonna be a pain to get out. We got it out simply just using this amazing tool. We got a little Diablo blade on it. It's specifically for metal. We can also use the wood one since Diablo blades are very durable. But look, once you have all the tools that you need, everything's easy. It's clean. Now all we gotta do is just remove these. But we're gonna install these really quick.
We got a beautiful chops over there. The wall. You don't get paid for that, but
look, it works. 30 bucks right there. Just no
Brought
two
it back for
stands.
what? For the stand?
The 2 stands and then leftover material. We had one already, but it's in the trailer, and we're nowhere near the trailer, so you gotta improvise. That's our little lunch table over there. That the beautiful client let us use. But other than that, we're almost there. Halfway there, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll show you once we have everything set up. Well, we're all done. As you can see, we're cleaning up right now. We have Michael's taking the trash pile out. We were leaving the trash for the main wall because we didn't charge it. For a job like this, let me show y'all from over here. Job like this, we charge $4.50, just labor. Yeah, looks nice.
Oh, tell about that.
Oh, what's up? Oh yeah, look at that.
Tell it.
It was a pain in the butt, but we got it. As you can see on this one right here, this one for everybody, we had to trim it down for that. We were very blessed to have the table saw with us because we almost left it at the house, right?
Yeah.
We had to trim it.
Hello?
And once we trimmed it down, we cut it to the length, which was 95. These are all 95s. These ones right here, these are 42s. Since this is like a very old deck, like there is little things that still need to be fixed that he didn't want. Like you can see, like this is a little loose, but it turned out well. Everything's clean. We cleaned up the yard, all this dust.
Like I said, I need a number to tell my people to see if they want there, because they got money, but they want.
He said he wants to paint it, so he's probably gonna wait like 2 weeks, let it dry. Since when it's